The sky bled gray, the stars fell cold. I traded my heart for a story untold. They tried to bury the fire in my bones, but I built a palace from the heavy stones. No mercy in the dirt, no light from above, just the iron in my blood and the push and the shove. The chains don't break, they snap in the heat. I'm the rhythm of the war, walking down the street. I am the steel, I am the shadow, rising like thunder from the deep of the hollow. No retreat, no bow, no shame. The world's gonna tremble when I speak my name. I'm a lone wolf rising, I'm the king of the flame. Whiskey and ash, a gentleman's pride, with the devil in my pocket on a midnight ride. The crown isn't giving its call from the pain. I'm the hurricane's eye in the pouring rain. I am the steel, I am the shadow, rising like thunder from the deep of the hollow. No retreat, no bow, no shame. The world's gonna tremble when I speak my name. Standing still at shadow. Still at shadow. Still at shadow. The rain is washing down the dusty glass, watching the shadows as the headlights pass. Your lipstick stain is fading on the rim of this empty glass where the lights are dim. I smell your perfume in the midnight air, ghost of a rose that isn't there. They say that time is a healer of pain, but time just rubs the links in the chain. Power, raspy voice, heavy slow stones. Under the pale and unbroken moonlight, you were the fire, I was the wood. Burn me down like I knew you would. Yeah, you burned me good. I drive this road where the devil won't go, listening to the static on the radio. I hear your whisper in the engine's hum, counting the miles till the morning comes. A man don't cry, he just bleeds inside, with nowhere to run and nowhere to hide. Some loves are gentle, like a summer breeze. But ours was a storm that brought me to my knees. Brought me to my knees. With a ghost tonight, under the pale and the broken moonlight. You were the fire, I was the wood. Burn me down like I knew you would. Some fires never die. The neon sign is buzzing like a dying fly. I've got a pocket full of dust and a burning sky. They told me, son, you better toe the line, but I left the jagged light about a mile behind. The wheels turn slow, but the fire burns fast. I walk the valley where the shadows play. I drink the rain to wash the sins away. You can't break iron that's been forged in hell. I got a story that the devil won't tell. I carry scars like a map upon my skin. Don't ask me where I'm going or where I've been. This whiskey burns, but it don't numb the cold. Just another night for a soul to woe. They say redemption is a heavy price. Well, I've paid it once, now pay it twice. I walk the valley where the shadows play. I drink the rain to wash the sins away. You can't break iron that's been forged in hell. I got a story that the devil won't tell. Keep walking. The pavement cracks beneath the weight of my stride. There's no corner in this city left for you to hide. I built these walls with secrets and with cold gray stone. I walk the path of the devil, but I walk it alone. The wind stops blowing when I raise my hand. I am the silence spreading out across the land. No mercy given, no weakness shown. I carve this empire, I claim the throne. Welcome to the empire of fear. When I rise, the streets go clear. No one stands, no soul comes near. I rule the dark in the empire of fear. Steel in my blood and ice in my breath. Every move I make is a dance with death. Crowns will shatter and kings will fall, but my shadow reigns above them all. You can run to the light, you can pray to the sky, but in this kingdom, even hope comes to die. Welcome to the empire of fear. When I rise, the streets go clear. No one stands, no soul comes near. I rule the dark in the empire of fear. The shadows know my name. The city lights bend when I step through the haze. A ghost in the neon, a fire in the maze. Every shadow I cast is a kingdom my own. I've carved my throne from the cold city stone. They whisper my name like a prayer or a curse, but I'm the one driving the rhythm of this universe. I don't need a crown made of silver or gold. I got the grit in my blood and a heart that's too bold. I walk like a king through the fire and the rain. I never bow down, and I don't hide the pain. Every star in the sky is a jewel on my head. I'm the master of shadow. I'm the law of the land. Yeah, I walk like a king. I'm the one who survived. Boots hit the concrete like a hammer on steel. I don't play the game, I just spin the wheel. The wind knows my scent and the earth knows my gate. I don't wait for luck and I don't fear fate. Underneath the silk there's was a machine made of pride, with the power of the storm raging deep down inside. I walk like a king through the fire and the rain. I never bow down, and I don't hide the pain. Every star in the sky is a jewel on my hand. I'm the master of shadow. I'm the law of the land. The world may break, but I remain. Walk like a king, unbound, unbroken. The iron in the earth is calling out my name. I've baptized every sorrow in a gallon of the flame. They said the dark would swallow every spark I ever had, but the hunger in my spirit makes the devil look sad. I'm walking on the edge where the sky turns to red, with a heart full of thunder and a ghost in my head. The pressure's in my blood, the hammer's coming down. I'm digging up the light from this ghost white town. I'm standing on the edge of the fire. I rise. I've got the desert heat burning in my eyes. You can't chain the wind, you can't tame the storm. In the center of the furnace, a legend is born. I'm the edge of the fire. I'm the crown and the thorn. Every scar is a map of the wars that I won. I'm the shadow chasing light, I'm the bullet in the gun. The world tried to break me, to leave me in the dust, but I'm forged in the lightning and the iron and the rust. No mercy in the silence, no fear in the bone. I'm a king in the making, and I walk alone. I'm standing on the edge of the fire. I rise. I've got the desert heat burning in my eyes. You can't chain the wind, you can't tame the storm. In the center of the furnace, a legend is born. I don't fear the end, I am the beginning. Edge of the fire, born in the tailor-made suit stitched with shadow and pride. I walk through the silence while the weak running high. The blood in my veins is like liquid gold. Power isn't given, it's bought and it's sold. Every step is a hammer on the anvil of fate. I don't ask for mercy, I just dictate. The whispers of ghosts only make me grow tall. When the hunter is weary, the wolf takes it all. I am the master, the law and the light built this empire. From the ashes of night, no crown is higher than the will I possess. The world shrinks down to a game of chess. I'm the boss, let the thunder scream my name. Whiskey and smoke in a cold glass of time. My word is a mountain they're afraid to climb. They look in my eyes and they see the machine. Underneath the silk, I'm the ghost in the scene. I am the master, the law and the light built this empire. From the ashes of night, no crown is higher than the will I possess. The world shrinks down to a game of chess. They call me the devil, I call me the cure. Immortal in the darkness, the gentleman's guild. The shadows whisper secrets that I used to fear. 1,000 ghosts are screaming, but I'm the only one here. I wore my sins like a suit, tailored and black. I walked into the fire and I ain't looking back. There's no mercy in the mud, just the cold hard ground. But in the silence of the night, my kingdom is found. The chains are rusting, the walls are thin. I'm letting the storm finally begin. I'll rise, I'll reign, I'll break the heavy chain. I'll turn the venom into blood inside my veins. This is my truth, carved in the bone, a king in the dark, sitting on a broken throne. I'll rise, I'll reign. Desert wind my name. I'm a man of the shadows, born from the flame. You can't kill a spirit that's already been dead. I'm living the life that the old gods dread. I rise, I reign, I break the heavy chain. I'll turn the venom into blood inside my vein. This is my truth, carved in the bone, a king in the dark, sitting on a broken throne. I'll rise, I reign. Back to the dark, where I belong. Back to the dark, where I belong. Sound inside my chest, carried a burden, never stopped to rest. The darkness tried to steal my family name, but I stood my ground, I played no foolish game. The wind cut deep like a sharpening knife, try to tear the marrow from my life, but I learned the truth in the hardest pain. Every fall I took just built my frame. Shadow won't break me, night can't take me. I hold my fire where the cold can't shake me. Through every trial, through every sea, I rise unbroken, a man set free. Yeah, I rise unbroken. I don't whisper and I don't yield to fear. The storm rolls loud, but my soul stands clear. Stone in my spirit, steel in my hand. I walk through the night, a steadfast man. They said I crumble, they said I bow, but look at the mountain standing now. No chains can hold what is meant to rise. I've got the morning sun in my eyes. Shadow won't break me, night can't take me. I hold my fire where the cold can't shake me. Through every trial, through every sea, I rise unbroken, a man set free. Yeah, I rise unbroken. Let the darkness be, let the thunder call. I am still standing strong through it all. Unbroken, set free. Shadow can't take me, I remain. my name into the floorboards deep. Left my sins where the shadows creep. Ain't no heaven waiting at the gate for me. Just a rope and a ghost is all I see. They told me pain was a lesson to learn, but I just watched the whole world burn. From iron I was made, from fire I was grown. Ain't no mercy in the seeds I've sown. Got scars where the prayers used to be. Got smoke instead of air in me. I don't beg, I don't cry, I don't break. I am the storm that makes the devil shake. Every wound became a hymn I sing. Every lie turned into a second skin. I stared the darkness right in the eye. It looked away as I passed it by. Raise a glass to the blood I bleed. I'm the last of a dying breed. From iron I was made, from fire I was grown. Ain't no mercy in the seeds I've sown. Got scars where the prayers used to be. Got smoke instead of air in me. I don't beg, I don't cry, I don't break. I am the storm that makes the devil shake. If I die, I die alone. Ash and iron, flesh and bone. Silence is the bullet that never misses. From fire I was grown. Ain't no mercy in the seeds I've sown. Got scars where the prayers used to be. Got smoke instead of air in me. I stand as I am. Dust and the smoke try to blind my way, but I learned to see light in the darkest day. The river of pain could not pull me down. I turn every fall into solid ground. I've seen the night cut sharp as a knife, carving the marrow right out of my life. No chains on me, no walls too wide. I walk through the fire with an unshaken eye. Every scar's a lesson, carved deep, carved free. I stand as a man, no chains on me. Yeah, the road is long, but my spirit is light. No chains on me tonight. Let the shadows whisper, let the memories fade. I'm walking out of the debt I paid. No chains on me, no walls too wide. I walk through the fire with an unshaken eye. Every scar's a lesson, carved deep, carved free. I stand as a man, no chains on me. Yeah, the road is long, but my spirit is light. On me tonight. Burn my name into the barroom floor, left my sins at the motel door. Ain't no heaven waiting, ain't no devil to see, just an open road and a heart of me. Fire with an unshaken eye. Every scar's a lesson, carved deep, carved free. I stand as a man. No chains on me, no chains on me. I rise unbroken. Sun creeping up on the river bend. Another day of hell that will never end. Chains on my feet, steel on my soul, paying for the sins and the lives I stole. The mud is thick, the air is still, breaking my back on this cypress hill. Oh Lord, this bayou steel is the only thing that I can feel. Clang, clang, singing a bitter song. I've been walking this heavy road too long. Drag me down where the gators sleep, in the murky water, dark and deep. The seeds that I have sown, the wind blows cold through the fields of pain, waiting for the mercy of the falling rain. But the boss man says, boy, lift that head, or you'll be resting with the river dead. Can't run, can't hide, can't break the toward this bayou still is the only thing that I can't feel. Clang, clang, singing a bitter song. I've been walking this heavy road too long. Just the sound of the steel.